3 more, then I'm fired 100 times in a row. I'm gonna work at Seoul Garden for my next job. Welcome to Seoul Garden. How may I help you? I would like to have a shrimp tempura and a large Sprite. I'm sorry, but the shrimp tempuras are sold out. No, they're not. I see some shrimp tempuras in the kitchen. Get out of here right now. That's it. I'm going to Payway Asian Diner instead. I hope that I don't see you again. Welcome to Seoul Garden. How may I help you? I would like to have the seaweed kimchi noodles, a barb and bib, and a large Coke. I'm sorry, but the kimchi seaweed noodles are sold out. No, they aren't. I see some kimchi seaweed noodles in the kitchen. And again, does it look like I care? No. Please get out of this Korean restaurant right now. That's it. I'm going to another Seoul Garden. Do you know what? I think I'm going to go and think of some more places to work at for my jobs leading up to episode 200. And I'm about to be fired 100 times in a row, so I may as well go home and start planning them now. But anyways, I'll see you all next Friday at my 98th job. Bye!